Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to check your gift card balance on Overstock. If you don't have an Overstock account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website overstock.com. Here, you will see an option for account. Click on Account. On the pop-up window, you will see a section for Sign In. Sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several options at the top right side of the screen. Click on the option that says Account. On this page, you will see several tabs. Click on Gift Cards. On this page, you will see a section from which you could check your gift card balance. Click on Check Balance. On the field provided, enter the gift card number and PIN. After entering, click on Check Balance. That's how you check your gift card balance on Overstock. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.